Hello students, welcome back. So students, today we will begin with a very new chapter which is MSW Logo Introduction. We all know that we need a language to communicate with each other. Like right now, I'm speaking in English, hence English is a language that we are using to communicate. Like this, there are many other languages in the world. Different people use different languages to communicate. Do you know, a computer doesn't understand any of these languages that we speak. We must hence instruct a computer in a language that it understands. And these instructions are called commands. Logo is one of the languages that a computer understands. Now students, let me ask an interesting question. Tell me the way to your home from school. How would you tell me? You might answer in various ways, like go straight, take left, from the market, go straight again, go right, etc. 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 Do you know, you can use MSW to draw road maps to your home. You can use it for using different commands and instructions to create the same. Isn't it interesting? Logo is a simple computer language which can be used for drawing figures and designs, typing text, and performing arithmetic calculations. Now students, as you have understood what logo is, let us now see how we can start logo and perform various activities on it. So students, first of all, to start MSW logo, we need to follow some steps. The steps are: first, we need to click on Start button. Next, after clicking on the Start button, we have to select all programs. Next, after that, we need to select the folder named as Microsoft Windows logo. And after that, we need to click on the Microsoft Windows logo option, and after that we will find that the logo or the window of the MS logo rather appears on the screen, and we can start working on it. Now students, when the window of MS logo appears before us on the screen, it appears as one screen, but actually there are two separate windows. Okay, the upper window is called the MSW logo screen, and the lower part of the window is called the commander logo. Okay, and students, you can resize it according to your wish and requirements. Now students, let us know about the components of MS logo screen. So students, there are various components of MSW logo. They are title bar, menu bar, main screen, vertical scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar, and turtle. Let us now study about all these components in details. First is title bar. So students, as you can guess from the name itself, title means name. So the title bar is the bar which displays the name of the software, such as here it is MSW logo screen. It also has various other buttons like minimize, maximize, restore down, and close button. And we all know that minimizing or closing the MS logo screen, it minimizes or closes the commander window. So next, here we have menu bar. So menu bar is the bar which contains various commands which are sorted into different menus. MSW logo has file, bitmap, set, zoom, and help menus. Next is main screen. Now, main screen is the blank space which you find in the middle of the window. It is where you can perform various tasks like drawing, typing text, and doing calculations. Next is turtle. So students, the small triangle which you can see in the middle of the main screen is called the turtle, and you can give various instructions to it. As you give the commands, the turtle moves according to the commands you give, and it draws a line moving forward. You can ask the turtle to draw any shapes by giving various commands, and it draws the same for you. The turtle has two parts. The top of the turtle is known as the head. It shows the direction in which the turtle is facing. And the bottom of the turtle is called the tail. And the last component is the scroll bar. The scroll bar helps us to move up and down along the main screen. The scroll bar at the bottom allows you to move horizontally on the main screen. So students, this was all about the very first part of our chapter, that is introduction, then how you need to start with logo and what are the components of MS Logo screen. Thank you.